Hey y'all, this is Manny. I have my new video out, which was a pixel visualizer, kind of like an animated loop thing. I'm going to show you just a little bit of how I got this done. The first thing I'll show you is the background. I didn't draw that. I actually bought it for like 10 bucks from a stock site. It's an illustration. It's like really high res. So the first thing that I did was I down resed it so it gives a little bit more pixelated look. And then I drew in the bridge in the background so that this way I can kind of make it my own thing. So the motorcycle I drew, again, it's a representation of my motorcycle. And the way I did that was I found an image of the motorcycle and I just traced it. It's pretty easy if you just like put it on top of each other, and then you can match back to the colors of each pixel and draw it pixel by pixel. So it takes a long time, but then it ends up looking like this, and it's pretty cool. The figure is I drew that freehand just based on like a picture of me leaning, and I turned that into like 5 or 6 frames, and you can see I just kind of slightly changed the wire and the shirt and the hair. Just make a small change on each frame, and then when you put like 6 of them together, it looks like it's moving. Next up, I'll show you the lights on the bridge. That one was a little bit more time consuming because it was 2 lights and it was like 30 something frames. So it took a little while, but it's actually really easy. It was just 2 pixels and just going in there with the little pencil tool and just drawing it and erasing it, and then doing that process over and over. Last thing I'll show you to give it a little bit more extra animation to make it feel like it's actually moving is in the lights there are moths floating around, and that's just single pixels of black dot to give it a look. So that's it. Put it all together, put some cool filters on it in Premiere to give it a more purpley vibe. Obviously there's a lot more steps and details, but I didn't want to make like a whole big 10-minute thing, just kind of show you a little bit. And if this is something that's interesting, I can show you some more. Anyway, I hope you check out the video. I hope you check out the EP. Bye.